You said, oh, that's a treasure.
Yeah.
I was thinking of buying some pink elephants. Hey, as a matter of fact, here comes an elephant right now. Here it comes. Cockapoo. Wow. I'm going to take all of your parrots, Brookie, and hide it in my rabbit hole.
I will catch you with your sword.
Catch you with your shoes off. Hi, I'm a panda, and I just had 16 panda babies.
Ew, great.
Oh, hey, Sim. How are you? Mama. Okay, here, I'll try to hold you. Mama. Mama. Oh, here we go, baby. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. In the window, that's a terrible song.
Wait, someone's at the door. Skank.
Elliot, can you sing in that one silly voice that you sing?